We have with us a guest from Nec-computers in the studio, in the person of engineer Sir Temple. Mr. Temple, welcome. Good morning to you.
Thank you.
Happy Easter celebrations.
Thank you, Mr.
How was the
Andrew.
Easter holidays at Nec-computers?
Too good, too good, too good.
So talk to us. Since you are saying it's too good, did you guys develop something to help us hear Jesus Christ?
Net
I'm just
computers,
kidding. Don't mind me.
yeah. We have been on, we have been on, we have been on. And throughout the Easter, we recorded a lot of progress. People came during the Easter holiday, even they are right there now. We are doing a lot of good. We are changing life. In fact, what gives me joy is because we are changing life. That is what gave me the most joy. Everybody that come to Net Computers, they have something positive that they can testify at the end of the day. So that is what gave me joy in Net Computers.
Makes a lot of sense. So, for people who do not understand what Net Computer does and what you stand for, can you just give us an idea? How does it work? What is your structure like?
Okay.
What do you do?
Yes, Nec Computer is a computer training center. We are a group of mastermind that comes together to brainstorm and give quality and balanced computer training to Nigerians and other people. That is what we do. So in essence, we are a computer training center that train computers. We take computer to the grassroots. We make sure that everybody that comes to Nec Computers will have something to do at the end of the day. That is what we do in Nec Computers. And our training program are divided into 7 different departments. That is structure of our training. The first one is the desktop publishing and graphic design department. This is for people that want to do banners, billboards, book publishing, printing, magazines, newsletters, business cards, binding, graphic design, corporate branding, profiles, programs, handbills, and flyers and invitation cards. If you want to design all this, you want to learn how to do all this, come to Net Computers. We have the basic computers there. We have Microsoft Office Suite, we have CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Secretarial Studies, Photoshop, Internet. The second department we have in Net Computers is for people that want to do 2D and 3D drawing. That is vector-based drawing, isometric drawing, first and third angle projection, structural detailing of beams, columns, foundation layout, steels, and concrete structures, both steel and concrete structures. When people hear this, they think we are universities. I say no, we are still computer training center that integrate what is happening to the university into our training systems. So if you read civil engineering, you read QS, landscaping, environmental science, or you do related courses, this is where you have to come and do your training. We do AutoCAD, yeah, we do ArchiCAD, we do Revit architecture, we do Inventor, we do structural analysis and design using Star Pro, Orion, and Civil 3D. The third department we have in Net Computers is the networking department. In the networking department, we train people on CCNE, CCNP, CCTV installation training, computer hardware and software maintenance and repair, cyber security. Cyber security encompasses the process and technology used to protect computers, computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, damage, or theft, aiming to ensure integrity, confidentiality, and availability. We do all that in Net Computers to a very higher standard. Then the fourth department is the project management department. Here we train people, we train you on how to initiate a project, how to plan a project, that is determining the sequence of tasks to be done in the project, how to execute the project, that is putting the project plan to work. We tell you how to monitor and control the project, that is to make sure that the work progress according to the way it was planned. This is where quality assurance and quality control comes in. We make sure that what was planned is what is being carried out. We do that in Net Computers, and we teach you how to do project closeout. At the end of the training, you're going to do your project plan, your resource plan, your risk management plan, your procurement plan, your time management, budgeting plan, condition and estimation. You do all that at the end of the training, and the course includes Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, SAP, Prince 2, electrical design, drafting and installation, building design training, condition and estimation. Then the fifth department in Net Computers is actually programming department, where people call coding. So we do it here. Our coding is not just somebody came yesterday and say you just have to be a computer programmer, that the child is too small. How can you teach that how to be a computer programmer? It's not only that. Our aim of coding is different. Our coding will make you to, in fact, a child coming to Net Computers, you're able to transform a word problem into linear equations, into quadratic equations, into system of equations. We do various type of equations here. We do just something like variation, joint variation, inverse variation, and direct variation. You can do all of that with our coding classes. Imagine what they are doing in the university, that's what we are doing in Net Computers. In fact, you can do all the ordinary differential equation. That is first, second, and third order differential equations, Laplace transformations, Fourier series, Maclaurin series, differential and integral calculus. You can use your laptop as a tutor Everybody in the university, in fact, where people have problem in the university is during mathematics and in their first year. And these are the courses that make them that problem in their first year. We handle it, we simplify it in Nec-computers. So everybody coming to Nec-computers. In fact, one of the things that if you have phobia in mathematics, come to Nec-computers. So by this now, if you are doing computer science, you are doing anything related to computer science or engineering or mathematics, statistics or management science, come to Nec-computers. We have Microsoft Visual Basic, we have C Sharp, we have C++, Visual Basic, Python, Java, MATLAB, Simulink, and SimScape PLC. People don't know the difference between Simulink and SimScape. We simplify it in Nec-computers. If you are able to know the two, even if you've not gotten something for it, the joy of it can keep you. These two applications.
But I know there's a lot. People would want to ask questions. We don't have all the time, but let me just tell us. You can send WhatsApp message. You can send a question to our WhatsApp number, so we relay to the guest. If you want to ask a question now, 0809-030-6416. That is our WhatsApp number. You're saying quite a lot about your structure, departments, and training. But what makes you stand out? Because there are several other computer training centers in Rivers State.
What makes us stand out and unique? We do the latest happening. Our training is the current trend. Now we go to several advanced universities in the world and get their course content and train with that. And our people have been working in industry. Some of them have been working in different organizations. We have been working in the universities. So we marry all the challenges that happen in the field during the work, the challenges that we encounter during our training over the years, the challenges that have been there that make them to develop this curriculum. We marry all them together and give you a balanced training in such a way that after the training, you can never remain the same. And if you are going to send your children abroad or to any other place or to the university, what they are going to meet there is what they do from Nec-computer. That's why we give them that basic foundation. That foundation enables them to fare across board. And in our data science, there is not time, but in our data science, you can't learn data science in Nec-computers and go without job. Because data science is connected to project management. I will explain it next week.
That's why I say people would have a lot of questions to
I will
ask.
explain it next
But
week.
what's even very much more interesting is what you've said now. Is it for everybody, or who are the selected people who can participate?
Everybody can come to Nec-computers. If you just finish JAM, or you are doing engineering, statistics, or you do computer science, environmental science, management science, or you do financial budgeting, or you want to do corporate trading, you want to train your staff, or you want to go and do IT, or you want to do IT research. Research is one of the main things that you can learn from Nec-computers. Just from basic computers, you can do research and you can get a lot of things from it. Nec-computer make you to stand out in every ramifications. Our training goes across industry and education curriculum. So if you are working and you want to increase your pay, come to Nec-computers. We will teach you a skill that will make you to stand out among your competitors. If you are in the academics, we will give you a skill that will make you to fare through your courses because our field cut across it, and people who are working here, people who have been in that area, so we know what is there. So we'll give you a balanced training. Our year of experience will make us to know what is happening in the industry and what is happening in the society. So we give you a balanced training. That is why, in fact, this holiday, bring your children to Nec-computers. We have designed a program for them. It runs from last week to next week. That program will make sure that when they go to school as a changed person. They go to school in a different way. That is what we can do in Nec-computers. We have been doing it and we can do it very much.
All right, makes a lot of sense. Now, for those of us who have questions, saying if you couldn't make it with your questions to us here in the studio, you can also contact Nec-computers directly. So I would have you give us your numbers and your address so people can.
We are located at number 14 Rumwala Road, Honeymoon Plaza. Number 14 Rumwala Road, Honeymoon Plaza, between Rumwala Junction and Port Harcourt Polytechnic. Or you call our telephone number on 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. You can go to Facebook and type Nec-computers and you are there with us. 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932, and we're there with you. Our costs are very cheap, but we give a very high information. We reduce the cost so that everybody can come in. It's pocket friendly. 080 325 77932. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in Nec-computers.
All right, thank you very much, Engineer Temple, for your time. You heard him, you got all the information, but remember, information you don't work with would not profit you. So do something about it. My name is Ifeemi Andrew. Good morning.
Thank you, Mr. Andrew.